Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful Wednesday. I am so pumped because one of my favorite boxes is here and we are going to be opening the April 2020 Dot Boxx. This box is amazing. Now, this is a period subscription. However, it is also jam-packed with lots of fun and cute and quirky and sassy lifestyle items, yummy treats, and it's just phenomenal. So if you are unfamiliar with Dot Boxx, I will put all the pricing and a link to their site down below. I will also include a promo code that will get you a little bit of money off your first box. Also, just so you know, this is the adult Dot Boxx. They do have a teen Dot Boxx, and they do have a first time period box, which I think is fantastic because it kind of makes that scary and unknown time a little bit more exciting, if you will. So again, like I said, the pricing and a link will be down below along with the promo code, so definitely check that out. And let's get in here. It says party animal, but only until about 9 p.m. Yeah, that would be accurate. So I just love this box. I love the owner. She's amazing. She is such a sweetheart. Her and her daughter curate these boxes. She does the adult box and her daughter does the teen box, which I think is phenomenal. I just love the mom and daughter thing and the girl power. It's just amazing. So let's get in here again, like I said, April 2020, and see what we got this month. I do believe this is their birthday month. So it would be a very, very happy birthday to Dot Boxx. All right, so when we cut it open, yep, it is their birthday. You see here, you see a 3. Dot Boxx is 3. Happy birthday, Dot Boxx. So let's see. Your April 2020 theme is Let Them Eat Cake. It's our birthday month. I can't believe we've been doing this for 3 years. It's been a fun and magical journey filled with laughs, Epsom salt, and gray hairs. But I can't think of a better squad to accompany us along the way. Cheers to another 12 months. Love you, girl. I just love how relatable she is, and oh, I just love it. So this is jam-packed with cake-inspired goodies. It goes over things. Now, one thing I do love about Dot Boxx is if you subscribe, you can join their Facebook group or Facebook page, and they will periodically put out polls or surveys and things to get ideas for future boxes. And some of them, like I said, are polls, and you can vote as to what you would prefer in your box. And it looks like that was the case for one of the items this month. So what I would also look at down at the very bottom, it does kind of give us a little sneak peek for the following month. So it says your May 2020 theme is Hello Beautiful. May happens to be my birthday month. Your box will be filled with a feminine ready-to-wear item, lovely scented self-care items, and other goodies that will help you exude your best self. Stay well. So again, this is what it looks like, and it goes over all of our items. So let's get in here and see. So there's some confetti. And the first thing says, party in a bag, everything you need to celebrate. Yay! I don't know about you guys, but I'm stuck in a house, so. All right, let's see, what do we have? Oh, we have a blower. A little horn. That is fun. And we've got some balloons. All right, so we've got 2 here. We have yellow and blue, and then we have 2 that are gonna blow up kind of clear, and they have confetti in, and that's awesome. Side note, these are my high school colors. So that looks fun. It's also Christopher's birthday month in May, so mine is May 2nd. We have some candles. Super cute. You can always use candles. I love those confetti balloons. They're adorable. And then we got some confetti. Now, confetti scares me because I'm a mom and confetti scares me sometimes. And then we have a card. It's a Hallmark card. It says, yay. It is blank on the inside, so you could use this for any occasion, really, not just a birthday. You could use it for, you know, a promotion, a housewarming, all kinds of things. And then, oh my gosh, this, okay, so these are like reusable, like cardboard coasters. Every morning, I swear, every morning, especially right now with the homeschool, you guys, the homeschool is gonna be the death of me. I'm just a girl drinking coffee, wishing it was wine. That's my life right now. And then this one says, it's my birthday and I'll whine if I want to. Love it. We'll put all of these back in our little bag here. That is awesome. You see, I'm already like grinning from ear to ear. That's what this box does. This box just literally puts a smile on your face, and it's fantastic. And you can actually choose to get this box without the period essentials. It does save you a couple of dollars, but honestly, even if you don't get your period anymore, it's actually good just for the few dollars that they charge to go ahead and get it, because you may have someone come over who may need it, or you could donate it to a women's shelter. There's lots of things. So, because it's not just, you know, pads and tampons, there's usually maybe some Advil and some teas, which are amazing, and a disposable heating pad, which is definitely amazing. So definitely take a look at that. All right, so is the party in the bag in here? It does. Celebrate any occasion indoors or in your backyard with this party in a bag starter kit. If you're quarantined like us, social distancing shouldn't limit your happy dances and celebrations. Just celebrate at home. So whether it's your birthday, an anniversary of any sort, your Zoom meeting finally went off without a hitch, attending your virtual high school or college graduation, perfected the art of stress, baking, and that banana nut bread finally tastes like grandma's, or your toddler finally pooped in the toilet, you should celebrate. All right, so then, oh, I see something else that I love. Oh, we got some wax melts. And this is from KPW Candles. You're hotter than these soy melts. Lemon cupcake, 100% soy wax, hand poured, Pennsylvania. Let's see. I love wax melts. They have like confetti. Oh, y'all, these smell so good because they have that like cakey, like cake battery, frostingy. Those aren't words, but those smells, but with lemon, so it's kind of fresh and just delicious. My house is gonna smell amazing. There's nothing like the smell of an old fake and bake. See? Lemon essential oils are known for their refreshing, energizing, and uplifting properties, and we can all use a pick-me-up these days. Yes, ma'am, we sure can. Love that. All right, then we have got, everything wrapped up. Oh, it looks like a homemade soap. It is, oh my gosh, this pineapple rum upside down confetti cake. Say that 10 times fast. Handcrafted soap. Yo, oh my gosh. This is like, this is absolutely gorgeous. It looks almost like a piece of confetti cake, but then it looks like it has frosting. And it, that smells so good. Okay. Geesh, what a mouthful. See? A festive and fun blend of orange, pineapple, rum, vanilla, and coconut. Your luscious bar was formulated with soybean oil, coconut oil, and shea butter, handcrafted from scratch. And again, this is from Kennard Labs, made in Oregon. That smells so good. Oh, yum. All right, and then we have, this is, if you see right there, it's very small, but it says Dot Boxx. I believe last month was the first time we actually saw something that I think is made just specifically for or by Dot Boxx. And this is the Coconut Coffee Walnut Cake Scrub. Gently rid skin of dull surface cells with this gentle exfoliating face scrub. And the facial item would have been based on your survey over on the Facebook page I was telling you guys about. So you could have gotten this or a coconut cake clay mask. So squeeze a dime-sized amount on the fingertips and massage on a damp skin in circular motions. Rinse, then pat dry. Energize dull, tired skin with organic Colombian coffee grinds, which have anti-aging properties, inflammation reduction, B3 vitamins, and acne treatment properties. And deeply exfoliating walnut shell powder, acne treatment properties, soothes dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis. Smells good enough to eat, but please don't. So, yay. All right, and then, what is this? This says Dot Squad Treats. Squigglies are just sticking to it. Dot Squad Treats. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Y'all. It is. You guys, it has my name on it. It's so hard to find personalized items with my name on it the way I spell it, N-I-C-K-I. And this is like a little mirrored compact, and it's rose gold. You guys, I'm in love. That is gorgeous. Each year, as our gift to you, we include a personalized item to show you that 1, you're one of a kind, and 2, you really mean the world to us. Okay, I have skills, but I didn't have the skills nor the tools to make this year's treat, but I can ensure you it's just as special and adorable. Go ahead and open it up. Oh my gosh, I don't know this is amazing. I love this, and it's so appropriate for spring, and oh, I love that so much. All right, and then we have got, all right, I love this. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, so disclaimer, if you don't like bad words or you have little ones around, I'm gonna give you just a couple of seconds for earmuffs or to like skip 10 seconds ahead. So, because this is amazing. Like, I am so excited. This actually was also on Facebook, and it didn't really like have specific choices, but asked if you would be okay with maybe some profanity or different, humor, and things like that. I said yes, and I'm glad I did, because these are amazing. So I will tell you what these are, again, giving you time for earmuffs or if you want to flip through. So we got some sporty socks. It says, I like fun socks and I cannot lie. Okay, that was lame, but I couldn't resist. I loved it. We told you ladies a few months back about socks. Of course, we had something up our sleeve. Your socks are fun, bright, comfy, and perfect for lounging. All right, you ready? Here we go. I got some really cute pink and black socks that say I'm fancy as fuck. What? Are you kidding me? I love these so much. These feel really, really nice. Love those. Love it. All right, and then, oh, we have a lip balm. They are spoiling us. This is from Hope and Hive Vanilla Cupcake Natural Lip Balm. And it says, after cleansing your face, treat your lips to a 100% all-natural beeswax vanilla cupcake flavored lip balm. Your lip balm also gives back. For every 2 purchased, 1 is donated to a female-focused cause. Oh, I love that. And you can never have too much lip balm. Never, 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 never. So, super excited. All right, so now I think we are down to snacks and period supplies, which is awesome. So I'm gonna show you some snacks. We've got, ooh, I love this brand. So we have some Annie's organic cheddar bunnies. That's appropriate for April, Easter. And, oh yes. Oh, this might be a mom hiding spot treat. Does that make me a bad mom? So this is a Treat House Rice Krispie treat in birthday cake, and it has the sprinkles and the marshmallows, and it just looks amazing. Oh, I may have to hide that. All right, and then, oh, I'm definitely hiding this. Fatty Sundays, chocolate covered pretzels, birthday cake, white chocolate and vanilla cookies with rainbow sprinkles. So they're like sweet and salty. You guys, oh my gosh. Growing up, we spent many fatty Sundays snacking on Mom's homemade chocolate covered pretzels. We've reinvented our childhood favorite to share with you. Enjoy our gourmet twist on a sweet and salty classic. Yo, any day is worth celebrating. Yes, I'm so excited about those. All right, and then our period essentials. So one other thing that I do like when it comes to the period essentials is you get to let them know if you want just pads, just tampons, what type of tampons, what type of pads. They even have organic tampons and pads. So I really, really like that. And then, like I said, it does come with the like disposable heating pad, which y'all, honestly, I've actually used on my lower back, and it's awesome. And then some panty liners. We've got some Advil in here, so that is great. So that was our Dot Boxx for April 2020. Happy 3rd birthday, Dot Boxx. I am so thankful for this box. I wish you many, many more birthdays to come. I cannot wait to see where you go and how amazing you do. I am so thankful to be a partner with Dot Boxx. They do send me this box for review, so thank you so very much for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, all of the pricing will be down below along with the link and promo code. Definitely check them out. You will not be disappointed. I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.